Entry number 1, Mr. Lincoln Brien from Australia.
Totally stoked that I've got second place in the World Technician Grand Prix. The competition was really tough, but turns out years and years of devotion to the Yamaha has paid off. From when we got to the communication plaza this morning, we had the opening ceremony. Everyone got introduced. We got the speeches from the president of Yamaha, and then off we went to where we had the competition. When we got to the competition, we got shown the bike. We got to check to make sure our tools worked with the bike. And then we got given what was wrong with the vehicle. As soon as I read what was wrong with the bike, I was pretty confident because I've been around these sort of bikes a long time, and got straight to work and started diagnosing. I didn't really get tripped up along the way too much. There was a couple of instances where I had to disconnect and reconnect the tool. But one of the things that really got, I think, everybody too, was it wasn't just one fault. There was actually 3 faults in the bike. I'm sure I gave everyone a heart attack because I ran the clock right down to 0. Right at the end, I was still wiping and cleaning mirrors and making sure the vehicle was ready to hand over to the customer, who was really close to the time. So after that, I was feeling very confident that I'd done well, but then that was only the first part of the day. Second part of the day was a customer handover. The customer handover I thought went quite well. Had to explain what had happened with the vehicle, had to explain what we'd done during the service. It felt pretty good. So then it came to the presentation, and I was very nervous at the presentation. I was a little bit confident that I'd done well because I felt like I'd done well, but I was very, very nervous. My hopes coming into this were a podium finish. Anywhere on the podium I was going to be stoked. Once they announced third, the nerves started kicking in again because I only had 2 more places to get onto that podium. When they called out my name for second place, I was very happy. I was stoked. I was very happy I'd gotten second and it was done. This journey just hasn't been about me. It's been teamwork, and Aaron's been there to help along the way.
Sitting there waiting for the announcement, I was petrified, heart in my throat to see what happens. When I saw America came third, I knew that we were definitely in front of America, and things started to heat up a lot then. And when his name was called, I could almost jumped out of my seat and screamed for him, but I kept it together. He's done sensationally and has done everyone at YMA proud.
I'd like to thank my wife Lizzie, everybody at YMA, everybody at Chris Watson Motorcycles, and I can't wait to get back and celebrate once we finish our trip in Japan.